Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic rain effect using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and I'm going to create a new project. For example, I'm going to add this video to my project and let me remove the watermark. Okay, the watermark has been removed and I'm going to add the rain effect. We can go to the effect menu, select effect, and go to the weather category. It's right here and you can choose rain. And I'm going to adjust the value. Okay, or you can use this drip effect. It's up to you guys. You can choose the effect that you like or that you need. You can also add the lightning, and I'm going to choose this rain effect. Okay, I'm going to reduce the value and I'm going to make it aligned with my video. Okay, just like this. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to adjust it again. All right, and then I'm going to adjust my video so it can match with the rainy vibes. And I'm going to go to the filter, select filter here, and I'm going to choose this one. Oops, it's not free. Let's choose film, story. Okay, to make it more cinematic. Or let's try do. Okay, I prefer the story filter. Okay, and let me play it. And let me adjust it again. I'm going to reduce the lightness so it can be more cinematic and increase the contrast just a little bit. And reduce the warmth. Okay. For the saturation, just increase it a little bit. All right, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create cinematic rain effect using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.